Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon Z. So let's see in this lesson some common regular RE verbs, okay? So they belong to the third group, but then we can see that they will be conjugated the same way. There will be only one exception in this list, and the exception is because for the compound tenses it will be whether conjugated with avoir or être, okay? But for all the forms, basically you will conjugate these verbs the same way. So let's see them. To answer, répondre. Répondre, répondre. To defend, to forbid. Défendre, défendre, défendre. To give back. Rendre, rendre, rendre. To go down or to exit a vehicle. Descendre, descendre, descendre. So keep in mind that this verb will be the one, the tricky one, that can be conjugated with avoir and with être for the compound tenses, okay? I have made a video covering this topic, so if it's not clear for you, then I would definitely advise you to have a look at the video. So let's continue. To hear, entendre, entendre, entendre. To lose, perdre, perdre, perdre. To stretch out, tendre, tendre, tendre. To wait, attendre, attendre, attendre. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net, okay? And then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.